In this video, we are going to learn how you can send Diwali discount offers on WhatsApp with clickable buttons. So the idea here is that you have created a Google Sheet in which you are maintaining your customer details. Now you want to send the Diwali discount offers to all your customers on the WhatsApp number with the clickable buttons. It means if the customer is going to click on Shop Now button, the customer will be redirected to your shopping website. And if the customer clicks on Contact Us button, then he will be able to have a word with your team. For that, you need to integrate your Google Sheets with WhatsApp. So how you can set up this automation using Pabbly Connect, for that you need to come to my screen. To send Diwali discount offers on WhatsApp with clickable buttons, first we need to log into Pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. And here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get free tasks every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. In the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Send Diwali discount offers on WhatsApp with clickable buttons. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want to send the Diwali discount offers on WhatsApp to our customers with the clickable buttons on a specific day and at a specific time. For that, we are going to apply a scheduler over here. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Schedule. Schedule by Pabbly. Now here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So if you want to run your workflow at regular intervals, you can select this option. Or you want to just run it once, you can select this option. Every day, days of the week or on the specific dates of a month. You can select it as per your requirement. In my case, I am just selecting it as at regular intervals. Here in every, we have to just give the values in minutes or days or hours. So I want to run this workflow in every 2 and here we have to give the time span as days. So in every 2 days the workflow is going to run and here we have to give the time at which time we want to schedule the trigger. So here I'm just giving it as 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay. And now let's click on Save. Successfully scheduled. So here we can see the responses received. At regular intervals in every 2 days at 10 a.m. this particular workflow is going to run. Okay. So now we want to send the Diwali discount offer messages on WhatsApp to the customers whose data is available in our Google Sheet. So now we are going to integrate Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. But before that, I'll just show you the Google Sheet where I'm maintaining my customer details, the name of the customers, their email address and the mobile number. So now we are going to integrate this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So let's move to Pabbly Connect. Come to this action window and here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as Get Rows. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now here it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets, the account in which I have created my Google Sheet. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. Now it is asking for the additional access. So let's click on Continue to give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that I have created in my Google Sheet account. Okay, here you can see all the spreadsheet names. So my spreadsheet name is customer data over here. So I'll be selecting the same spreadsheet name from the drop down. Now the sheet name is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. If you have created multiple sheets over here, you can select the specific sheet name from the drop down. Okay. Now here we have to give a range. Enter the range of the sheet in which you have the data. So you can see that I have the data from column A2 till column C. And if I'm updating this particular spreadsheet or the customer data on a frequent basis, then I'm not going to specify the end row. So in that case, I'm just going to give the range as A2:C. I'll not specify the end row. Okay. So I'm just going to give the range as A2:C. And here in the instruction also it is mentioned you can use range as A2:D to get all the filled rows. Okay. Where D will be the column header of the sheet. Okay. Now, before capturing the response, we have to just make the simple response to advanced response so that all the customer details are captured over here in Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the response is received, and in the response result, we have got the customer details in the array format over here. All the customer details are captured over here. So why we have captured the data over here in the array format? Just because if we will not select the advanced response option, only the first row data will be captured in Pabbly Connect, and only the first row customer is going to receive the message. But we want to send the messages to all these customers. So that is the reason we have collected the data over here in the array format. Now we are going to segregate this data into the row format, into a specific proper format. For that, let's scroll down and click on this plus sign to add an action step. And here we are going to choose the application name as iterator. So basically, iterator segregates the data from the array format to the row format. Now here we have to choose the array. So we have already got the array from our second response over here, from our Google Sheet response. So now we are going to map this data. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the Google Sheet response and select the response result from the drop-down. So why we are mapping the details over here? Just because next time whenever you're going to add the data to your Google Sheet, automatically the new data will be captured over here. Okay. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see that the first row data is captured over here. Okay. The data is segregated from the array format to the row format. Here we can find row index as 2. This was the row index 2. Okay. And the customer name was demo name. This was his email address demo@pabblytudes.com, and this was the mobile number. So here you can see that the same data is captured over here. Okay. So now we are going to send the Diwali discount offer messages to this particular customer on WhatsApp. So now let's integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. Click on this plus sign and let's add an action step over here. And now let us choose the application name as WhatsApp Cloud API. Select the action event as Send Template Message. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection, and for that you need to just create a new WhatsApp Cloud API account. So how you can create a new account? For that we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can create your new WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now to create a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API account and Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the connection details, that is the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. For that, I'll just take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Okay, and here you can find the URL, that is developers.facebook.com. And here we can find My Apps option. Click on it. And here you can see that I have already created some apps over here. If you want to create a new app, simply click on this Create App button and you can create it as per your requirement. And here I'm just going to access this app, that is My Connect Message app. Now on the left hand side, we can find Products option, and in the products we have got WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and here we have to just click on Getting Started. And here we have got the temporary access token, the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID that is required to create a connection over here. So you can simply copy those details and you can just paste it over here. But here it is mentioned that this particular token is a temporary access token and it is going to expire in 23 hours. So I would recommend you to generate a permanent access token to create a connection. Okay. Otherwise, a token will expire in 23 hours and your workflow is going to stop in a day. Okay. So let's copy all these details and we have to just paste it over here. Let's copy the phone number ID also. And we have to just paste it over here. In the same way, let's copy the business account ID and we'll be pasting it over here. And now let's click on Save to create a connection. And now the WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So basically template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As you cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we need to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook. And once the template is approved, then only we can use that specific template to send the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account once again. And here we can scroll down and here we can find to create your own message template, click here. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink here. And here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this Create Template button. And how you can create a template, for that also we have created a separate dedicated video. The link is attached in the description box. You can watch the video and you can create a template as per your requirement. Okay. Now here we are going to search for the template that we are going to use for this particular automation. That is Diwali offers. Okay, I'm just going to open this particular template. And here you can see I have created a message. Hello. Okay, let me just maximize the size. Okay. Hello, Pabbly wishes you a very happy Diwali. We are glad to have you with us. On this special occasion, we have exclusive offer for you. Avail 15% discount on any purchase. Offer valid till 22nd of October. Apply code Diwali15. Grab before stocks run out. So in this particular manner, I have generated a message, and here you can see that I have added number 1 in the curly braces. So actually this is the variable, and the value of this variable is going to change every time according to the customer name. Okay, and in this particular manner I have generated a message. Okay, and the message will be delivered to customer. And here you can see that I have added 2 buttons, that is the clickable buttons over here, that is shop now and contact us. So I'll just show you that also. Here you can see the buttons option, type of action as visit website, button text as shop now. Here I have given a static website URL. So by clicking on this particular shop now button, the customer will be redirected to my website. And along with this, I have added the contact us button also, where I have mentioned my phone number. So just by clicking on contact us button, the customer can reach us. Okay, they can have a word with us. So in this particular manner, I have drafted a message. You can just create a message as per your requirement. Okay, so now we are going to use this Diwali offer template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So let's select the same template over here from the drop down, that is Diwali offers. Now here we can see that the language code is automatically captured as English US, and even a template ID is also captured. So we are not going to make any changes over here. Now let's scroll down, and here it is asking for the recipient mobile number to whom you want to send the message. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code and without the plus sign. So we have already got the customer mobile number over here from our iterated response. So we are going to just map this mobile number now. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the iterated response, and from the drop down, let us map the mobile number. And here you can see that the country code is already added to the number. So we are not going to make any changes, and even it is without the plus sign. So it is perfectly correct. But if the country code is missing, you can add your country code in front of the number but without the plus sign. Okay. And remember, here you have to map the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here we have to give body field 1, that is the customer name. So let us map the customer name also, that is demo name. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the message is delivered to the customer. Let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we have to just refresh our WhatsApp account. Okay, and here we can see that the message is received. Hello demo name, Pabbly wishes you a very happy Diwali. We are glad to have you with us. On this special occasion, we have exclusive offer for you. So the same message is delivered to the customer along with the 2 clickable buttons, that is shop now and contact us. So let's check the buttons also. Opening link in a new window. Let's go for it. Okay, and here you can see that the customer is redirected to my WooCommerce website. So in this way, we can see that our clickable button is working fine. And the customer name is displayed correctly over here as demo name also. So this was the customer name, that is demo name, which is displayed correctly. Okay. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, in every 2 days, the customer is going to receive your Diwali discount offer messages on his WhatsApp number. Okay. So now I am just going to minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this trigger window also. Okay, so first we have applied a scheduler over here that this particular workflow should run at a regular interval in every 2 days at a specific time, that is 10 AM. Then we have gathered the customer details from Google Sheet in Pabbly Connect over here so that all the customers can receive the WhatsApp messages. Then we have applied the iterator over here just to segregate the data from the array format to the row format. Okay, and at last we have just added the action step of WhatsApp Cloud API account, and we have used a specific template to send the messages on WhatsApp. And in this way, we have learned that how we can send Diwali discount offers to our customers on WhatsApp with clickable buttons using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case you have any queries, you can just post your queries at Pabbly Forum. Our team will surely get back to you. This is our Pabbly Connect website, and to know the latest updates and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is pabbly.connect. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is attached in the description box. You can clone this workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.